Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to install this IKEA LARBRO mirror. So we got this at the IKEA for $24.99 plus tax. So it's a pretty good price for this size mirror. So they came with the wall mount kit, but unfortunately you will need to supply your own screws. So I'm going to show you guys the wall mount kit that came with it and what kind of screw that you need to use. By the way, be sure not to throw away the template that came with it, which is on the back of the mirror. It gives you the precise template measurement where you need to drill the holes at, in case if you want to put it vertically or horizontally. So they came with for this plastic anchor. This side is for the mirror, so the slit could sit in there. Okay, in case you put it vertical like this, the mirror will sit, because this one is the frameless mirror. So you need to remove this circle. By the way, the hole is not in the center, because it will allow you to kind of self-adjust once you put it in the mirror or the bracket. So you cannot use the one that's on the left hand side, Phillips screws. They want the one with the big head, so it could secure that circle mounting kit more secure. This one, it doesn't secure, see, it's not flat. Okay, and the one on the right is pretty flat on the bottom here. So this is the wall that I'm going to install the mirror. What I did was I put a tape right in the middle right there. This is the shiny, and then I tape it to the drywall, and then there are like those template. What I did is I drilled the two on the side and two on the bottom. So these are the two that I'm going to screw in there. So the mirror will be sitting like this. You need to put it in like this. And once you put it in, the anchor is going to come out here, the plastic anchor, and you need to push in to secure it on both sides. So you're going to insert a screw like that. Okay. So yeah, you don't want to screw it too tight, because remember I told you about the hole is not right in the center. It allows you to maneuver around. And now you could put the plastic anchor onto there. So after you install this two wall anchor, you need to install the two on the top before you put the mirror. So now we're going to install those two top anchors. And the clip is facing outside, okay? And now once you put in the mirror, you're gonna push it in on both sides so you can secure it. Might be too loose. Else it won't stay. You need to have those side clip to stay in the place. You don't want to have this clip to go downward, or else the mirror is not going to sit smoothly. Okay. So when you put the mirror, you want to put the bottom first. Okay, you're gonna push your toe against the wall. Let the bottom go in first. Make sure it's in the center or the position that you want. Slide left or right to do some adjustment. And then, oh shoot, clip this in. There you have it. Nice. And if it's not straight or you need to do some adjustment, then you press those clips either to the right or to the left, and that's it. Anyway, hopefully this will help you guys do some this LARBRO installation, because I was reading the instructions, kind of difficult to understand at first, but once you get it, it's pretty simple and easy. So that's why I created this video to help you guys and make it easier installation for you guys. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.